How to apply a Luma Fade Transition in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline and I want to apply a Luma Fade Transition in between them. Go to the Effects panel, click on Video Transitions, and search for Luma Wipe. Drag and drop Luma Wipe Transition in between your clips and timeline. Drag its ends to change its duration. Now let's remove this transition and create another similar transition. Clear the search box and scroll down under Fusion Transitions. Drag a cross-dissolve transition in between your clips. Now right-click on the transition and select Open on the Fusion page. Hold down the middle mouse button to move around in the Nodes panel. Here we have 2 media in which are our 2 videos, and a cross-dissolve transition, and 1 media out which is the final result. Right-click on the cross-dissolve and select Ungroup. Now select the node and open up Inspector panel. Change operation to erode. Then go back to the Edit page. And now we have another transition which is sort of a Luma Fade transition. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.